tap the screen and the gate's opening. So tap the screen again and it stopped. I know that a package is coming, so a lot of these like UPS or FedEx, they'll set a window, like a delivery between 1 or 2 p.m. and you can set an automation. So you click this right here and you tap the screen. My gate's shut currently and it just beeped, and the sensor wheel changed to open. So that gate is opening right there. The sensor, there we go, just changed. So stay tuned. We're going to be installing this product on this gate in this video, which this was shot months and months and months in advance because I have been testing this product for about 6 months now and I have not had one issue with it. So stay tuned. This is an amazing product right here, and I'll show you all the many reasons why you need this on your gate or your garage door system. So here I've got the Ghost Controls wireless solar setup. This has no power connected to it. It works perfect. And I currently got the little push button system, and I also use this, which is Remootio 1. This is the original product, but it pulls 0.72 watts. And what I ran into is whenever it was winter time and the sun wasn't shining for a couple, let's say 3 or 4 days straight, it would run down my dual battery system in my Ghost Controls. So this is supposed to fix this. This is Remootio 3, brand new product here. It pulls. Number 1 is not used, and then number 2 says relay output. So I have the red on the first terminal right there of number 2, and then the black on the second, and then it comes down right here, and the red goes to CYC on the Ghost Controls, and then the black goes to COM on the Ghost Controls control box. So that's the red and the black. And then the doorbell is the little sensor that goes with the Remootio device. And you can see the wire I ran through the conduit right here, and it goes down to the gate, which I'm not going to change the doorbell, but you just got to have the proximity. So one side's a magnet, which the magnet's right here, and then this is the sensor, or maybe I've got that backwards, but one side's got the wire hooked to it right here. You can see, and it says Remootio on it. What this side has the wire, and that goes up to the control panel, and this side's like a magnet right there, and that tells if it's closed. Right there, it'll tell you right on the app that the gate's closed, and then whenever the gate opens, this separates and it spreads the gap, and then it'll tell you in the app that it is open from the gate. So you just you can put it wherever. That's just where I put mine, and it sticks with double-sided sticky tape. You don't have to drill or anything. Alrighty, so let's dive right into this product. So here's the app. As soon as you open it right here, it does say the status of the gate. This is Remootio 3 right here, and I will talk about this Remootio 1 device briefly. So real quick, I use Bluetooth most of the time if I'm around the house or here around the gate, and cellular if I'm anywhere else in the world. You can connect, and we'll see about how long it takes. 1, 2, so about 2-3 seconds, sometimes maybe 5 seconds tops if you don't have a good cell signal. So real quick, you tap the gate button right here, and you can see it's closed. I haven't tapped it yet, but you get this click, and then the gate's opening. So you got a couple second delay on the cellular, which is no problem, and there my camera system is alerting me that the gate is indeed opening. And then it also has a sensor on the app that Remootio is opening. So this feature on this app, it's packed with features. So we have auto open, we have all these features. I don't typically use most of these, but I do use power options because I run the gate off of solar power. I've only got a 10-watt panel, and I've got 2 batteries. I believe they're 7 amp hours a piece. So this reduces the power by 60% if you click this on, which I ran it without low power mode, and I didn't notice any difference in running it with or without, but I open my gate quite a bit throughout the day, and that's why I wanted to use low power, because I run it off solar and battery. I don't have any type of plug-in. So rated power on this unit is 0.4 watts, and this says that it cuts it by 60%, and I love this feature right here. So it tells the voltage of the gate currently, and you can notify you when the voltage is low. So I got mine set. If you tap this little button right here, you can set your voltage. So mine's set at 11.5, so you can edit or disable this feature. So I'll cancel it. I've used this right here through the winter months, and 6+ months of testing this product. I have not had one issue with the Remootio 3. So I will have this link in the description below. Alrighty, so I just filled this thing up for the second time. It had 4 bars left on the fuel meter, so it should be reading full. It's getting 93.7 miles a gallon. Let's see here. So $5.92, 1.3 gallons to fill this thing up, and getting pretty good fuel mileage. And I did use the non-ethanol fuel. As you can see, it's a little bit more expensive, $4.34. The regular unleaded is $3.79. But we'll see if we get any better gas mileage. I'm going to reset the trip and the average.